adventures. Well, it's been a few days since our last video. We went to San Antonio, hoping to ride some trails over there, and it rained all the time, so we ended up getting our derailleur, one we had to replace on the bike here. It had arrived, let's see, on the 3rd, today's the 5th. Yesterday was a travel day. Alright, open sesame. We're just going to do a short ride. We spent most of the day replacing the derailleur and fine-tuning it, so it worked, and this is just going to be a little test run, see how it is. By the way, we are in Anderson, Texas again at a house sitting. Anderson is by College Station. We're going to be here for 10 days. And this is the area where it's all gravel roads. We're out in the middle of nowhere. So we I think the route that we had planned on was part of this one, but this one's only going to be a couple miles. And I've got to adjust my rear camera holder. Still getting used to this thing. And the biggest thing that's it's a kind of a disappointment here is the selfie stick. I can't figure out where it's supposed to be. We'll work on that. September 5th. It's 85 degrees today. And this little route, like I say, is just going to a dead end and going back to the house. But tomorrow, when assuming everything's going to be okay with this derailleur, tomorrow the route that I usually took here was 22 miles long, give or take. And it'll be nice to see the kangaroos again. Yeah, kangaroos in Texas. babysitting for didn't even know that they existed. Well, they're kind of about 5 miles away, but they never knew that anybody had kangaroos out here. So yeah, the cable that I got, or I have right now, for the derailleur is fraying at the end. So I went and ordered a new Shimano 7-speed with the cable attached, and that would actually be the second time I had to do it. And actually kind of a coincidence, it was when I was staying here last time, there was a storm that kicked up at night, and where I had stood the e-bike, the wind blew it over and cracked there's a Shimano housing. It's kind of ironic. We're almost done with that house over there. I've been building that one since I was here last time. This afternoon I did a trail cam checkup. If you guys want to check my channel out, I started posting to that again. I just went out and replaced the trail camera I have here. Last time I was down here too, there was a couple cattle that were loose, and they tried to jump the fence and knock the fence down. But when I came by, they were kind of freaked out. I haven't seen the cattle out here. I wonder if he got rid of them. So yeah, this is a brand new tire now on the rear, which will be really good for here because it's gravel. And what I really should do too is let some air out of the tire since this is going to be a gravel run. But we'll see how it works out. Right now it seems to be fine. Bike has been down, out of commission for a couple days, and I think I got it back up and running again. Camera that I checked up on today, or I actually ended up replacing it in the battery. I've gotten some pretty good pictures on there. I had horse deer on there. I had rabbit. I had coyote. And I had a couple big cattle walk in front of it. top here, well, it seems really easy to pedal. Test my gears here, downshift a little bit. Should be a pretty nice came from the other way, and I was going to come back, go down that road a little bit, and see how that one is. We do hit some paved road. About an hour into this route. It's a highway. Got a little bit of a shoulder for a bike. So far the derailler's working good. Yeah, that top sprocket of the derailleur, I guess the bolt must have just backed out, and the whole thing dropped out. How to replace it. It's really geared more for regular bikes than e-bikes, but we made it work. Only cost a little bit. I think the biggest thing is after you replace the derailleur is fine-tuning it so all the gears properly, go, you can click through them all. All right. So this is going to be just a little short one today. Open. I gotta pick up this box here. That's where my deer corn was delivered today on the driveway. I should have checked the mail, but we'll get it tomorrow. Another 8 or 9 videos from Anderson, Texas. Appreciate you coming along for this little test drive, and until tomorrow, we'll catch you then. Adios.